Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the menus option in the Shopify admin panel. So go to shopify.com and log into your account. In the older versions of Shopify, the menus option was usually found under the online store. It should be right next to the themes, pages, and preferences. However, Shopify has updated the admin layout and the menu settings has been moved. So if you don't see the menus right here anymore, don't worry since it's still there, just in a different place. So from the left side panel again, find the Content tab right here. Click on it. And inside the Content tab, you'll see options like Meta Objects, Files, Menus, and Blog Post. Click on Menus. Inside the Menus section, you'll see all of the menus connected to your store. This includes the main menu, footer menu, and the customer account menu. From here, you can click on Existing Menus, then change existing menu items. You can add new links, rearrange menu items, and create a brand new menu if needed. The layout and option works the same way as before, only the location of the menu has been changed. If you want to create a new menu, just click on Create Menu right here. So give your new menu a name, then add menu items, the labels, and make sure you are pasting the correct link. You can add multiple menu items, edit them anytime, or delete them if you no longer need them. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.